cons int kpin LED 13. This line declares a constant integer variable name kpin LED and initialize it with the value 13. This is typically used to represent the pin number to which an LED is connected. Void setup. This line marks the beginning of the setup function, which is a special function in Arduino code. The code inside the setup function runs once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. Pin mode. Kpin LED output. This line configures the pin specified by kpin LED as an output. It means that the Arduino will send electrical signals through this pin, making it suitable for controlling an LED. Bracket. The closing bracket marks the end of the setup function. Void loop. This line marks the beginning of the loop function, the code inside the loop. Function will run repeatedly after setup. Function completes its execution. Digital write. Kpin LED high. This line sets the voltage on the pin specified by kpin LED to high, turning the connected LED on. Delay. This line introduces a delay of 500 milliseconds. During this time, the LED will stay on. Digital write. Kpin LED low. This line sets the voltage on the pin specified by kpin LED to low, turning the connected LED off. Delay 500. Another delay of 500 milliseconds is introduced. During this time, the LED will stay off. Bracket. The closing bracket marks the end of the loop function.